So it's been a really warm December. It's late December, a few days after Christmas. Upper 70s, just really warm weather. So me and a friend decided to get out on our kayaks today, and my friend got a new Old Town Sportsman 120. So we tried a few fish, got on a few, and all in all, it was just a great day to get out on the water. So here we go. Oh, what do we got? Come here. Yeah, all right. Shellcracker. And that little bitty shell, he inhaled that 2-inch minnow. All right, get out of here, you little skimp. Oh, 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 oh. I got it. That little bass. Yeah. Look how red their gills are this time of year in the oxygen-rich water. Oh, something hit it, huh? It was on the spotter? Well, your kayak is officially a fishing kayak. That's called sliming it when you get your first fish out of it. Let's see that monster. Yep, Kale's first fish in his new Old Town. Dang, something just jumped all over my little minnow. It's pulling drag. Oh, what a kind of a mondo bluegill. Way to hit it, buddy. I mean, you can hold this. No, it's not. It's like a $90 paddle, 70, I think. Oh. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like That's what I was saying. It's got some torque to it.
Yeah. And I'm not getting wet either.
Yeah.
How long is this one?
I've got it at 265 at the maximum, but it'll go from 240 to 265.
So I would think I'm probably about 260 or 270.
Yeah, Yeah. If I were to buy that paddle again, they had one that started at 265 and went to like 280.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what I wish I'd gotten. But I thought 265 would be long enough, but
That's amazing.
yeah.
So much of a difference. I can actually turn around now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got some torque to it. It's just high quality, you know. That's the bad about the like premium stuff. You never go back. Well, I had my camera off, but I just caught this bass. I don't know what I was thinking. Caught him with the moon dog. Whoops. Yeah. Oh, heck yeah. It's my go-to. It is my go-to, and I use a 1/32 ounce jig head. Huh? Yeah. That's another thing with premium, you know, getting something nice. They're comfortable. You can sit on them, you know, because if you do a river float, you know, you're going to be in it for 5 or 6 hours. Oh, got something. Oh, it's a crappie. Finally. Freaking finally. I knew that they would be biting. I am glad to see you, Mr. Crappie. Yeah, you see how many species I've caught? Little guy, see? All right.